Hi guys, let's grab our markers and draw Ronnie from the Casagrandes. First we're going to start off with Ronnie's eyes. And we're going to draw them quite close to each other. Right between them, we're just going to draw a little nose. We're going to divide the eyes in half to make eyelids. We're going to make eyelashes on both sides. Then we're going to draw the pupils. And on the top, two light reflections, and then we'll fill the pupils in. We're just going to go one step above, and we're going to draw eyebrows. Then one step down, a little smile off to the side, two front teeth. Now I'm going to draw the jawline and the cheeks. So I'm going to make two little dots for me. And I'm going to start on that side and then connect the lines. I'm going to make a little spot. And let's do it on the other side as well. Maybe three again. Now we're going to draw ears. We're going to start there, connect it to the cheek, and you're going to do the inner ear. We're going to go from this side. Now I'm going to make a dot right above that eyebrow. I'm going to bring a curve down to the ear, and then I'm going to bring a short curve down as well. Now on top, I'm going to bring a line curving upwards. Now from this curve, I'm going to draw her hair, and I'm going to just bring it down to her ear, and then on this side, we're going to do the same. We're going to bring it down. We're going to move down. We're just going to draw her neck. Now below that, we're going to draw a little zip. So there's the little handle of the zip. I'm going to draw two lines down. On the sides, we're going to start drawing the shoulders. So I'm going to draw two lines going out. Now from the zip, I'm going to go up, draw a belly and a chest. I'm going to go down, and I'm going to do the other side, underside of a jacket, and then on both sides, two pockets. I'm going to go here, I'm going to draw the arm, curve it back, and I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go here, top of the forearm, and connect it back. On this side, I'll draw the other arm. And now I'm going to draw sleeves and connect them. And right here, we're going to draw a hoodie. I'm just going to make a few lines here. We can make a few lines going here as well. We'll do this on the sleeves as well. Now I'm going to go behind. I'm going to draw a little block. I'm going to draw Ronnie's hair. Coming here. Now for her pants, I'm going to bring two lines down, very short lines, and I'm going to make a line in the middle. I'm going to connect them with a little curve. I'm going to go the other side, and I'm going to go a little bit farther and a little bit farther, bring it up, connect it. Now right in the middle, I'm going to bring a line down. Then on this side, I'll bring a line down, and on this side I'll do the same, another line down. I'll go under like this, and I'm going to draw a foot, and on this side we'll draw another foot. We're going to do a shoe. There we go, there's one shoe, and there's the other shoe. We're going to go there, and we're going to draw socks as well. And there we have Ronnie. Now you can check out my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.